Riri guchigokora Omogiro Bw'Emeremo ase okonyorwa kubaka n'eng'eri yabo asegeka maminche n'okwigwana babegete buna iga eng'eri yabo barayinyora kera chitariki 5 cy'omutienyi nigo barure okuboria gochia ase serikali ye county ya Nairobi boige wizara y'obochenu kugayana eng'ani eyo ase obw'ememono.
Yes, so when you are talking about salaries here, it means all of us don't have salary. Whether you are a manager, whether you are the one who clerks the patient when they arrive, you don't have a salary. And my imagination would be, what would the picture be like? I just want you as the fifth estate. Can you imagine today, you are aggrieved, you are not okay, yet you are supposed to deliver the most sacred service. Yes? Most of us, we work in very dangerous, very life-threatening, and we have to work as a team. And we also have to be a support system for ourselves. So you can imagine in a scenario where all of us are suffering, yet we are supposed to be strong for that single person that we swore that we are supposed to take care of. So in short, we are saying, other than salaries, because my colleague had just alluded that as healthcare workers in this country, we don't have any other sources of revenue. For us, it is hospital taking care of patients throughout. And you know, health services are essential services.
As we seated here, we are representatives of many thousands, of more than 6,000 healthcare workers in Nairobi that have yet received their salaries and who are going to down their tools in the next 1 hour.
Of course, there are other issues. Issues to do with shortage of staff, issues to do with poor working conditions. But we can stand all that. But when you delay my salary, when you delay my house allowance, because that one is part of salary, when you delay that commuter allowance, when you take away my medical cover, actually we have a statutory deduction in SHA. Our SHAs are not paid. So that means today, if I get sick or my dependent gets sick, they cannot get the same services that I'm still continuing to render to Nairobi